said 16 coaches long. Train ride, oh, 16 coaches long. That big long train will bring my honey home again. Oh, that train is coming. That train is coming, coming down. Train is coming. You know that train is coming down. That big black train, it bring my honey home again. Gary. The train is coming. That old train is coming down. That train is coming. You know that train is coming down. That big black train, it bring my honey home again. Train, train, coming on. Coming down the track. That big long train, you know it brings my baby back. Carmen, let me hear that guitar one time. One time. Train ride. Said 16 coaches long. Train ride. Said 16 coaches long. That big long train, it bring my baby back on now. Take it out. I said that big long train, you know it bring my baby.
Sounding pretty good up there too, probably.
Huh? Guitar was
We're
good.
talking about how good I sound.
Oh, yeah. Carmine's Country Corner here in beautiful downtown Lockville Center. Another week of fun country music with my good friend and great musician Bob Gotho on bass this week.
Hello.
And you're sporting a Rickenbacker bass. I love it.
Borrowed from my friend Kim Conrad.
Mr. Conrad, thank you. You're helping the
Yes.
show out.
Beautiful bass. Thank you.
Good looking bass. He should come up sometime and say hello.
Good luck on getting it back.
Palmer, how you doing? Good. Now you just changed the drum head.
I did.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
Holes in the middle, not down at the bottom like a little tiny. Yeah, we're doing okay. We're doing. We put the poster, whatever you call it. We posted Tony Sauter, my brother here, is kind of a guest artist this week. I only called him 2 days ago and said, Tony, I need somebody quick. He said, what time?
First time
Here he is.
anyone's ever called me an artist. So thank you, Carmen.
Oh, well,
I appreciate
you know,
that.
well, I'm not talking about your music. I'm talking about you paint a pretty good picture every once in a while.
Did a hell of a job on that house, too.
I'm just kidding. We love Tony.
Last
Gary
night-
Swan.
Yes, sir.
I like the shirt.
This is my Christmas present from my
And how did
son.
NAM go? NAM was this week.
It's
This is the
wonderful.
first NAM I missed in 40 years,
I
probably.
love it.
It was good. You
love
had
it.
fun.
I'd like to thank all my sponsors, who's everybody. Hammond, Black Panther, BB, On Stage,
Well, it sounds good to me.
Korg. I don't want to miss anybody in case they're watching.
Hey, yeah, they might be. Hey, Tony,
Yeah.
how's it going with you? How's family, Carol,
Everything's
the
good.
babies?
Everybody's great. My
Everything is
children,
working?
God's been blessing us, and it's all good right now.
Good.
Thank you.
Amen.
Good. So hit us with another one before we get the boys
Okay,
going.
all right. Well, let's do something. You know, it's freezing all across the country right now, and we're lucky we're here in California. But let's do a John Denver song, and we'll dedicate to all these people across the country that are real cold right now, and we'll send a song out to them. Okay, Carmen? Let's do a John Denver thing called "Cold Here in the City."
Can you hear yourself okay? You want that louder?
I can hear myself pretty good. If you want to crank it up, you can.
What's the key?
D, dog.
And what's the second chord?
E minor.
Well, what do you want, a band rehearsal?
Hi, man. I'm a bass player. I need to know what the next chord is.
E minor, A, and D.
Okay.
You go like this.
Cold here in the city, it always seems that way. I've been thinking about you almost every day. Thinking about the good times, I'm thinking about the rain. Thinking about how sad it feels alone again. I'm sorry for the way things are in China. I'm sorry things ain't what they used to be. And more than anything else, I'm sorry for myself. Oh, can't believe she went away. Gary! I'm sorry for the way things are in China. I'm sorry things ain't what they used to be. More than anything else, I'm sorry for myself. Oh, can't believe she went away. Brother Carmen. I'm sorry for the way things are in China. I'm sorry for the way things are now. More than anything else, I'm sorry for myself. Oh, can't believe she went away. I'm coming in. My friends all ask about you. I say you're doing fine. I expect to hear from you almost any time. The They all know I'm lying. Honey, I can't sleep at night. They all know I'm dying down deep inside. I'm sorry for all those lies I told you. I'm sorry for the words I didn't say. And more than anything else, I'm sorry for myself. Oh, can't believe you went away. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. John Denver.
You know, Carmine Helm, you can tell if you're in a ghetto hotel
How?
when you see a cigarette burn in the bathtub where they put their cigarette on it.
Ouch. Ooh. It's called, I've been in a place, it's called the Yellow Tape Motel. Yeah.
I thought it was called the No-Tell Motel. I thought it was called.
So I received something in the mail. I thought this might be coming, but I didn't know for sure. Now last August when Sue and I took a little August trip and we go around the country and see friends and people and get to play some music. We did an event in November. Actually, I went back in November just a few months ago, and James Burton had one of his big fundraisers for his foundation. And Emmy Lou was the headliner, and I had already talked about this on a couple of shows ago, but I got in the mail this last week this shirt from the James Burton Foundation. A fella named Ron Chase, and his lovely wife Vicky had one of these shirts. He was wearing one of these shirts, and I said, "Where'd you get that?" He says, "Well, I make them up for the foundation, you know." So I said, "How do I get one?" He said, "Well, we'll try to take care of that." And then all this time went by, and this is what he sent me. And I love this shirt. Did you get that, Kim? See, it says James Burton Foundation.
Nice.
And it's got the little flames like on his guitars. This flame thing has become kind of like a little trademark of James. He's got it on his guitars. His foundation has signs with the little flames in the guitar. So isn't that nice, Tony?
Real nice. It's got James' name on it.
Oh, it's official.
The Burton
absolutely.
Foundation.
Yeah.
Turn around, let me
The
see it.
James Burton Foundation. Real nice, Carmen.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Turn it around.
I was very proud of that.
Let me see it.
Just thought I'd share it with you guys. And
Conrad.
James, we love you. What?
Turn it around. Let me see it. I haven't seen it.
I'll let you get
Oh,
one.
very nice.
What do you think of that?
I think I want it.
Well,
Yeah.
Who are these people? I got Chuck and Bill and Bob
all right,
and
so, yeah, I was very happy to get that. I called Ron and thanked him, and that was nice that they said that.
very
to us,
nice.
You know. And Emmy Lou, you know, I've been to 1,000 of her concerts. I always knew the players in the band, like Albert and James, and I would always get backstage. I always stick my chest out. I'm very proud because I get to meet these great people. Go ahead. I know you want to say something.
What about Frank Reckard? Did you know him too?
I knew him. No, sure. In fact, I played a couple of nights with him, not with Emmy, but at some other gigs.
He's great too, yeah.
He's a great player.
Yeah.
Yeah, that guy.
He became a lawyer.
Yeah, I was going to say, isn't he like an accountant or a lawyer?
He became a lawyer, yeah.
This guy is so smart, and he's kind of short like me. And the thing I always kind of amazed me is every time I saw him playing with Emmy, he was playing like a Les Paul or
It's a
something.
Les Paul special.
Yeah.
Or a junior.
Yeah.
It was a junior with one
and
pickup.
I go, I think, you know, you would think Fender Telecaster.
Amazing sound the guy
Yeah,
got.
he did. Well, he got the right sound. He knew how to. He was a real pro. There was another fellow like that back from the '60s that I got to know quite well. Was Bobby Warford. Bobby Warford had one of the very first B-benders. He was very close with Clarence, and he became also. He's a lawyer, and these guys are educated people, but they play. Man, like, they put a lot of time in.
Oh, Warford. Bob Warford.
Bob Warford.
Warford,
I thought
yeah.
that's what I said. Anyway,
Oh, I think
Bobby
it's
Warford.
Yeah, okay,
No.
good. Yeah.
Bobby Walford, good banjo player and great guitar player.
Yeah.
And a good guy. Okay, enough about who I know. You want to sing something?
Sure.
What do you got?
I'm gonna do one we have a request for many times. It's called "Tiger by the Tail." How about that, Gary?
I love that.
Am I
All
here?
right.
Let me
What key
pinch
we in?
myself.
We're in the key of G.
Kim, we're not the studio or anything.
I've got. Okay.
Oh, they tricked us.
I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. I won't be much when you get through with me. Yes, I'm losing weight and turning mighty pale. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. Well, I thought the day I met you, you were meek as a lamb. Just the kind that fit my dreams and plans. Now the pace we're living takes the wind from our sails, and it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. I won't be much when you get through with me. Yes, I'm losing weight and turning mighty pale. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. Oh, take it. Come in, corn. Well, every night you drag me where the bright lights are found. There ain't no way to slow you down. And I was about as helpless as a leaf in a gale. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. I won't be much when you get through with me. Yes, I'm losing weight and turning mighty pale. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. Play it again, Carmine. Look out, look out. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. I won't be much when you get through with me. Yes, I'm losing weight and turning mighty pale. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. Alrighty. Thank you, Ben.
Yes, sir. That's a good one. I like that one.
Now, what key did Buck do that song in?
Oh, he did it, I think, in probably E.
E, yeah, upper stuff. Yeah.
I would guess
Or
E.
E flat. See, they tuned down a half step, so he probably did it in E flat.
Yep.
Okay, we're
What else, Juan?
gonna do one by the great Hank Williams Jr.
I love that guy.
Or maybe G. I don't know, G flat. Yeah.
No. Okay, this is called Family Tradition.
Good. Key of.
You ready?
Yeah.
E.
Thank you.
Guys, go ahead. I'm gonna check my tuning. I have.
Yeah, we're gonna tune now. And just to make
It's that famous Chinese folk song,
Oh.
Tuning.
Tony. Can't say that, I get in trouble. What? Don't talk when you're tuning? I didn't hear what he said. I think he said talk when he's tuning. Talk
Sorry, folks.
when I'm tuning.
Close enough to presenter.
Yes. Okay. If you have harmonicas at home, feel free to play them in the garage. Go into the garage, shut the door, and that goes for trombones too. Trombones and harmonicas only. Okay, here's a tune that Hank wrote about his family. You know how it starts? You're the only band that knows it. Okay.
Vocally, right?
Yeah. Try to tighten my stool so I don't fall over. 1, 2, 1, 2. Do it again. Well, country music singers always been a real close family. But lately, some of my kinfolk have ignored a few others than me. I guess it's 'cause I went and kind of changed my direction. Lord, I guess I went and broke their family tradition. They all wanna know, why do you drink? Why do you roll smoke? Why must you live out the song that you wrote? Oh, let 'em know, everybody's trying to make my prediction. Well, I get stoned and sing all night long. It's a family tradition. I am very proud of my daddy's name. Although he's my kind of music, it ain't exactly the same. Stop and think it over. Put yourself in my unique position. If I get stoned and sing all night long, it's a family tradition. Say, why do you drink? Why do you roll smoke? Why must you live out the song that you wrote? Oh, let 'em know, everybody trying to make my prediction. But if I get stoned and play all night long, it's a family tradition. Lordy, I have loved some ladies, and I have loved Jim Beam, and they both tried to kill me back in 1973. Then when I went to the doctor, he said, boy, how'd you get in this condition? I said, it's all bones, leave me alone, it's just a family tradition. I don't know, why do you drink to get drunk? Why do you roll smoke? Get stoned. I had Waylon over there looking at me.
Yeah, well, it's a big
He looks
cat.
bigger than ever.
Waylon.
How did he get
So
that big
I'm,
head?
I'm at Osprey Farm last night playing, and I get it's getting a little chilly, so I get a big cup of coffee, which I get free in the cafeteria. You know, they take care of the troops over there. And I put it on my amp right here. And I'm on stage, and we start the set. I do the first song, nothing. I do the second song. I don't know how good I played, but nothing bad happened.
Yeah.
I drop my pick. The third song. I turn around, I lift my neck up, I go over the coffee. Coffee's big as this tall. Completely full. It's like I didn't even drink it down like a little.
Story's not gonna end well.
It was capped off. And I always keep a couple of picks on my amp. There's a little piece of tape on this amp. You can't see it. And the little bit of the pick we put under the tape so it doesn't vibrate off. So if I drop a pick, I reach over and pick one up. You know, and I keep going. It's right in the middle of the song, drop the pick. I clear the coffee the first time.
Yeah, the first time.
True story. I pick up. I come back. Whack! The coffee. The coffee. I can't believe there was that much coffee in this one little cup. You know? And it's heading towards. It's going to go off the stage and on down to where like the people are walking. And so we got a bunch of, I call them my Osprey Farm family, bunch of people we've met over the past 5-6 years. They come all the time because they like our shows and we have fun and we get to visit. And they come running up with a little napkin and they're trying to wipe it up, but it's getting out of control. However, they stopped it before it went over the edge. The stage isn't that high; it's just a little stage. And then the engineer guy, we have an engineer that works with us. He puts down his iPad that's doing all the mixing for out there, and he comes running up with 2 great big towels. They were perfect, and it's like putting out a fire. He put it on the whole thing stopped. And right now, if you go to Osprey Farm and go to the Fireman's Barbecue, you'll see our stage. And right down the center of the stage, it never looks so clean. I mean, it looks like a big stripe right down the middle. It's like shiny, Anyway, so, that's a little embarrassing. I'm saying that, but we never stopped playing. The other guy I work with, we just stood and did our job, and they took care of the coffee. And then I thanked them after for coming to my rescue. But so that's what I went through last night. Anyway, it was fun. What do you got, Tony?
Well, let's do Crying My Heart Out Over You in the key of D.
Okay, now you're going to do it just like the record. So you know, I'm crying my heart out.
D. A.
Ricky, should get this on.
Oh.
Okay. Show him a little bit. Okay. Key of D.
Somewhere the music's playing soft and low, and another holds the one I love so. Ever since she went away, I die a little lonely too, while I'm crying my heart out over you. Now I'm crying my heart out over you. Those blue eyes now they smile for someone new. Ever since she's been gone, all I do is carry on, and I'm crying my heart out over you. Very on piano one time. the stairs up to my room. Well, it seems I hear her whisper in the gloom. I miss her picture on the wall and her footsteps in the hall while I'm crying my heart out over you. Now I'm crying my heart out over you. Those blue eyes now they smile for someone new. Miss her pictures on the wall and her footsteps in the hall while I'm crying my heart out over you. Carmen! Jerry, one more time, baby. Each night, climb the stairs up to my room. It seems I hear her whisper in the gloom. I miss her picture on the wall and those footsteps in the hall while I'm crying my heart out over you. Oh, I'm crying my heart out over you. Those blue eyes now they smile for someone new. Miss your picture on the wall, your footsteps in the hall while I'm crying my heart out over you. Yes, I'm crying my heart out over you. Nice guitar work, Carmen.
Tune makes me cry.
Great piano. What a band.
Ask me if I'll find another. I don't know, I can't say. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll miss her kisses. Don't know, I can't say there it is. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man, have the strength to stand alone. Don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll miss her kisses, you know I will, every day. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man, have the strength to stand alone. Don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll miss my baby. You know I will, every day. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll find another. I guess I will one day. And I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Thanks for slowing it down. I kicked it off a little fast, and the boys heard that, and they kind of settled it a little bit. So thank you for that, guys. What?
Do it in E next time.
Do what?
Do it in E next time. Do it in E next time. E. Play it in E next time.
Oh, come up
Take
a
it up,
little, yeah.
take it up a whole step. Okay, I'm gonna do another tune that I almost wrote. I almost wrote this.
What do you got?
It was a cross between me and Hank Williams, and I said, okay, go ahead, Hank, you write it.
Hey, I want to thank you for watching the show. It's a little loose this week. We're just kind of laying back. Paul Marshall has got another gig, so he's not here. And Bob was nice enough to come up, and you're doing a great job on that beautiful Rickenbacker bass. I love that bass. So push like and share if you're on Facebook, and subscribe if you're on YouTube. And thanks for watching the show, folks.
Okay,
What are we doing?
I can't help it if I'm still in love with
That
you.
song so much.
I love that song too. I want to dedicate this to every girlfriend I might have, and all my imaginary girlfriends. There's quite a lot of them out there.
What about your future ex-wives?
Oh,
Kiyoko.
they're there. E.
Kiyoko.
Yes, this is for you, dear. Remember when I loved you? Okay, 1, 2, 1. Today I passed you on the street, and my heart fell at your feet. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Another else stood by your side, and you look so satisfied. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. got that old time feeling. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. No, I can't help it if I'm still in love with you.
Pretty song.
Good song, man. Tony, what do you got?
Oh, I tell you, we're gonna do a, let's do the midnight special.
Okay.
And then do, if it's okay, we'll do one by Making Believe, which is kind of a pretty song. That's a pretty song he just did right there.
Great song.
That's one of the,
You can't beat Hank Williams.
no, that's one of the best country songs ever written. That
You can't beat Hank. You
It
can't
sounds
beat
as
Hank.
good today. No, no, he had a way with words. I
He
tell you.
just hurt worse than any human being ever hurt in their life.
E. So you wake up in the morning, you hear the work bell ring, you know you stumble to the table and see the same old thing. No food on the table, ain't got no pork in the pan. You know you better not complain, boy. You'll get in trouble with the man. So let the midnight special shine a light on me. Gotta let the midnight special shine that light on me. I said the midnight special shine that light on me. And let the midnight special shine that light. Brother Carmen, play that guitar, Carmen. Gary Swan, piano. Yonder come Miss Rose. How the heck do I know? Oh, by the way she wears her apron and other clothes she wore. Umbrella on her shoulder, piece of paper in her hand. She gotta see the governor. She gotta free her man. So let the midnight special shine that light on me. Just let the midnight special shine that light on me. I want to hit the guitar one time. Come on and do it. Nice and easy, guys. Play the guitar, Carmen. Play it. Gary, play this piano. If you ever go to Houston, you better do one right. You know you better not gamble, and you better not fight. 'Cause the sheriff will grab you, and his boys will take you down. Before you know it, you'll be prison bound. So let the midnight special shine that light out of me. Just let the midnight special shine that light on me. I said the midnight special shine that light on me. Yeah, let the midnight special shine that light on me. Just let the midnight special shine that light on me.
I've also got one on the car too. I've also got one on the car as well.
I broke a string. I'll be right back. And these guys are going to do a song while I go get my other guitar.
Oh, so that's why you will not be on the camera. Sometimes he quits the band right in the middle of a song. So we're used to it by now.
Let's do Honey Don't.
Listen, I say when Carmen leaves, we all talk about him.
Absolutely. But he'll watch it later online and he'll hear everything we said.
Sorry, I got to get the keys to my car.
You're not back already, are you?
No,
That was
Oh,
fast,
okay,
Carmen.
yeah.
I might just go home.
What do we got?
We're gonna do Honey Don't.
Oh, boy, you are reaching out there.
Here we go. It's key of D. Yeah, I'm gonna do the intro because I know the intro. And then we're gonna come in with the.
I've never played.
Here we go. Here we go.
You know this. I could have played that.
Well, how come you say you will when you won't? Say you do, baby, when you don't. Let me know, honey, how you be flat. Tell the truth now, is love real? But well, honey, don't. Honey, don't. Honey, don't. No. Honey, don't. Honey, don't. You say you will when you won't. Honey, don't. Well, I love you, baby, and you ought to know. I like the way that you wear your clothes. Everything about you is so doggone sweet. You got that sand all over your feet. Well, honey, don't. Honey, don't. Honey, don't. Honey, don't. Honey, don't. I say you will when you won't. Honey, don't. Oh, Gary. Well, sometimes I love you on a Saturday night. Sunday morning you don't look right. You've been out painting the town. Baby, been slipping around. Well, honey, don't. Honey, don't. Honey, don't. Honey, don't. Honey, don't. You say you will when you won't. Honey, don't. Come on. Woo. I need a little honey dog. You say you will when you want. Honey dog. Yeah, baby.
Elvis.
No, that was
It wasn't Elvis?
no. Well, he might have done
I thought it was Elvis. I thought Elvis did
famous
that.
guy was Carl Perkins.
Carl Perkins wrote it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Carl Perkins, yeah.
And then the Beatles had a big hit in '64.
I thought the
Well, they didn't have a
Elvis.
hit,
I
but
thought
it-
Elvis did it also. I thought
No,
he did.
I don't
No,
think so,
he didn't.
no.
No. Okay.
Carl Perkins.
Carl
All right, well, I
Perkins.
went and got this other guitar.
All right, beautiful.
I played at Mouse last night.
It's got frets on it.
Yeah, I keep bumping into him. That drives me nuts.
You just gotta have them.
Trying to do one like I
You gotta have them filed it down a little bit. Yeah.
Do some clean lady. Do great. Why not? If you feel up to it.
No, things, you gotta tune that bad boy.
Key dog. Blue, broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. And I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, and no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Oh, blue, broken hearted me. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. And since you've been gone, and no matter how I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me.
when you get with the band. You can, I
Push
hear.
over. You're right. You said the right thing. I'll do it. All right, Tony, what do you got?
What
How
we're
much
gonna
time we
do,
got, Kim? I totally lost
It's
track of
7.
time. Huh?
It's 7.
So, okay, Tony, take us home. Last song. We're going to go over 5 minutes. Thanks for watching the show. Hope you had a good time. It's kind of a fun week this week. Kind of informal.
week.
We just had a good time. So thank you, Bob. Thanks for coming up. We love you. And, of course, Palmer. Gary, I'll see you next week. Don't be late. And Tony, I love you. Great job.
Thanks for coming.
Tell us again.
Making believe you still love me. Now it's leaving me alone and blue. And I've always dreamed I didn't love you. I'm making believe it's all I can do. I can't hold you close when you're not there with me. You're somebody's love. You'll never be mine. So I'm making believe, honey, I'll spend a lifetime. I'm dreaming of you. I'm making believe. Gary. Carmen from the top, Carmen. Can't hold you close, 'cause you're not here with me. You're somebody's love. You'll never be mine. And I'm making believe I'll spend a lifetime just dreaming